Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Klarna on Amazon. So let's get started. So first, open the Klarna app and tap the search bar, type Amazon, then open the Amazon store from the search results. If the desktop version of the website appears, refresh the page using the reload button in the search bar to switch to the mobile view. Next, sign into your Amazon account. You can do this right away or wait until you're ready to check out. Search for the item you want to purchase, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, review your cart total. If you are unsure about the shipping cost, enter the current total and Klarna will adjust it to match the final purchase amount if needed. Now select Add Payment Method on Amazon, then choose Add a credit or debit card. Return to the Klarna app and tap Pay with Klarna to generate your one-time card details. If Klarna doesn't automatically detect the purchase amount, enter it manually, making it sure it doesn't exceed your available spending limit. Tap Continue, review the payment plan and total amount, then continue once more to confirm the repayment details. If your request isn't approved, it may be due to eligibility or spending limit requirements. When the one-time card is created, copy the card number, expiration date, and security code, then paste them into Amazon payment fields. It's also a good idea to remember the last four digits of the card so you can identify or remove it from your saved payment methods later on. After adding the card, make sure it's selected as your payment method, then continue to the final review page. Verify your order total and shipping address, then click Place Your Order to complete the purchase using your Klarna one-time card. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.